Hey there! Looking for a game changer in the kitchen? Our favorite Instant Pot electric pressure cooker is here to save the day. With top-notch safety features, you can whip up delicious meals with peace of mind. Plus, you'll discover amazing recipes to impress your family and friends. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked meat with the Meter Plus Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. Simply insert the probe into your food, select the desired level of doneness in the app, and let the thermometer do the rest. Perfect for use with BBQs, grills, ovens, smokers, and even air fryers, this kitchen essential will take your cooking skills to the next level. Elevate your wardrobe with the OG Home Steamer for Clothes Steamer. This handheld clothing steamer boasts a 240 milliliters capacity, allowing for 15 minutes of continuous steaming to effortlessly banish wrinkles. With advanced 700W technology and a unique 304 stainless steel heating panel, this steamer ensures durability and powerful steam production. Lightweight and easy to use, this garment steamer is safe on all fabrics and comes with a 9-foot cord for convenient movement. Upgrade your style effortlessly. Introducing the Aravius Butane Torch Lighter, a versatile kitchen essential for all your culinary creations. This dual-flame mode kitchen torch features an adjustable flame and safety buckle for ease of use. Perfect for creme brulee, soldering, and more. Butane not included. With a compact size, it's easy to store and handle. Comes with a warranty for added peace of mind. Add this refillable cooking torch gun to your kitchen arsenal today. Introducing our 10 PCS double compartment condiment container set. Made from durable plastic, these containers are perfect for storing sauces, dips, and snacks. The double compartment design allows you to keep your condiments separate. They are disposable and reusable, making them environmentally friendly. Perfect for takeout condiments or packing snacks for on the go. These multi-purpose containers have a wide application range, making them a must-have for every kitchen. Get yours today and make snacking easier.